Are you a beginner in brush calligraphy? Here are the top 3 brush pens under rupees 200. At number 1 we have Adgel Little Artist brush pens which are priced at around 150 to 200 rupees on Amazon. These are 12 twin tip brush pens and the brush tip is neither too soft nor too hard, which makes it perfect for beginners in brush calligraphy. These pens last longer for more than 6 months even if you are practicing daily. At number 2, we have Camlin brush pens, and these are priced at 100 rupees for a pack of 6 pens and 200 rupees for a pack of 12 pens on Amazon. These are highly pigmented brush pens with a really flexible and soft brush tip. So, if you are absolutely new to brush calligraphy, pick up Camlin once you have learned to have control over the brush tip. Camlin brush pens might be immortal because I have been using this pack since 2019 and it's been more than 3 years. At number 3, we have Dom's brush pens which are priced at around 180 to 200 rupees on Amazon. These are highly pigmented and juicy brush pens with the most flexible tip, even more flexible than the Camlin brush pens. And these are also available in metallic and pastel shades, and these pens definitely last longer than any of my romantic relationships. Want to learn brush calligraphy? DM to book a one-on-one brush calligraphy workshop with me or get yourself calligraphy kits and workbooks from the link in the bio. Also, don't forget to check out a detailed video on large tip brush pens on my YouTube channel and share your favorite pen in the comment section.